Yeah, man, Rexy's okay, man. Rexy's who he is, man. That's Rexy. He'll always be the same, guys. And you won't get any less.
The thing about Rexy is honest.
He's a good person, very honest.
He's that genuine. If you need anything, Rexy gives it to you.
Very genuine. Genuine as a friend.
My father is a very fun-loving, enjoyable, kind, and loving person.
So Rexy is humorous, you know, and he's kind.
This guy loves to cook. This guy loves Jamaican food.
He cooked, you know, and I enjoyed his cooking.
He always gives me good encouragement to stay out of trouble.
The guy now who like go and drink and have friends, and a lot of guys play domino, hops and story and drink and eat and be merry right around, you know.
We party everywhere. We just drive right around Jamaica, party, drink, have fun, play dominoes. That's it.
Rexy is a real inspiration. He's a true life story, man.
He's a pro, you know. He's a pro of being great.
You guys can count on him.